Welcome to Pew Class. In Pew Class, we talk about PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word. So if you're new to the channel, kindly hit the red bell subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post awesome videos, you'll be among the first to be notified. Thank you. Two ways we can save our Word document to PDF. Two ways to save Word document to PDF. So let's say this is your Word document. This is the Microsoft Word environment. This is Word document. I have document 2 as the name of the document. So I want to save this document to PDF format so that it can be tampered with. So all you need to do is to let's justify this work so that it will be neat and more appealing to the eyes. All you need to do, two ways exactly, that's what we're going to look at. The first way you can save this document to PDF is to go to File, come over to File, see File here, click on File. Once you click on File, it brings out this, you scroll down. Scroll down. Now you get to export. You can see export. So click on export. Click on export. You can see create a PDF or SPS file. So either you create a PDF, say preserve layers, formatting, fonts, and images. Content can't be easily changed. Free viewers are available on the web. So you just click on this. Once you click on this, it's going to bring out a dialog box. Okay, you save the name of the work. Let's say you save it with let's say you just save it with. Let's just type something. You save it with this, and you come to this place. You can see it is saved as type PDF. So if you want to save it as SPS document, just click on SPS document. So now we'll leave it as PDF and you click on publish. Once you do that, it's going to be saved as a PDF file. This is one way you can do that. Now my Microsoft Edge is going to bring it out for me as a PDF. You can see that with the name ASAAS. You can see that. So it brings that as PDF for me. Okay, so let's look at another way we can save this work. So go back to Microsoft Word, we open the document. This is the document now. So the second way to save this document as a PDF file, you go to File, click on File. Once you click on File, click on Save As. Once you click on Save As, where do you want to save it as? On Drive, this PC, or whatever you say, this PC. You click on anywhere you want it in the desktop, you want it on the document. So any of them, let's say you want it on the desktop, click on desktop. So it brings us a dialog box. In the dialog box, you save the file name, give it a file name. Let's give it a name. Okay, different names. So you can see this place, save as type, Word document. So you just click on this drop down icon. Once you click on this drop down icon, you're going to see PDF. You can also see SPS document. So this is PDF. You click on PDF. Okay, once you click on PDF, you hit what? Save. It's going to be saved as a PDF document. Also, my Microsoft Edge is going to bring it out as PDF. You can look at it. This is the second method and this is the first method on how to save your document to PDF. So these are the two easiest ways to save your Microsoft Word as a PDF. Thanks.